Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. I want to apologize. I did not do this. And let me tell you what's going on in my life. My credit card expired August 31st, right? So I have to update all my online whatever's that has my credit card attached to it. Well, I can't find my credit card replacement. So I went to the bank hoping that they would give me another one. And they said, oh, we can't print. Uh, the replacement with the exact same numbers. You got to use the one that was mailed to you. I said, okay, I'll just go home and try to find it because I'm pretty sure it's in the house somewhere. It was a lot of transitioning going on last month with my vehicle. So, yeah, that's where we are, stressed out, frantic. But in all of that, we did not look at our August 2025 Unity Stamp Kit of the Month, which is called Seasons of Soft and Spooky. I don't know who is doing the painting, the drawing, the artwork this year or the last couple of months, but I will tell you, don't tell anybody. They've been doing really good, in my opinion. Okay, first of all, when you go onto the website, you can see what the month is at the certain amount of days. This butterfly is gorgeous, and then I don't know what is this, a bird, a witch bird? I don't know, but it's cute. Then we got this little ghost with the most, and then we got a gnome. So first of all, this kit is speaking to me. It is some things that I don't really care for. All these leaves. Nah. This owl. Did the owl eat the bat? Is it an owl bat? Come on, focus. It's really not trying to focus. Anyway, it's an owl bat. You can't be able to see it. I don't know what's going on with this camera. But let's see. It says trick or tweet. So it's a bird. Sheet sheet just got spooky. This is definitely a card that Wonder Dreamer 555 is going to get. Watching watching you some hocus pocus. Got those baddie vibes. Happy Valentine. Happy Halloween, not Valentine. For you, just because you're wonderful. Fall is my favorite kind of cozy. Oh, I love fall. I love fall because the weather changes, get a lot cooler. Here, a couple of degrees. Because yesterday it was like a lot of hot. A lot of hot. Um, Sending fall feels. Every season brings its own strength. Change comes gently. It would have been nice if you could have seen the trees progress from full to not full, right? Like, anyway. Grateful for this season. Crunchy leaves and cozy days. Okay. So I'm not sure if you've been on Unity recently, but what I've noticed that they have done is they've kind of taken some of the focal pieces and started making them in their own little kind of kits, I suppose, or how you can make your package. So this one is a butterfly. It says for you just because you're wonderful, and it's a monarch echo, little cozy keeper, and then this one says grunge groove, a grove, long rooted truths, and creep it tweet. Let's see if we can get this owl. So you can see how the owl has their little eyes, and all I see is how many licks does it take to get this in a spot. Hopefully you all know what I'm referring to. There we go. See it? Look at him. So is he a bat eating a bat? I don't know. I don't know if that's even appropriate to say because that's kind of battleism. I don't know. So we got a nice little bag. We got a little tag, and this tag is just straight up copied. So right here you got to cut it off, and then you can use these words. And then we got some of these die cut pieces right here. I don't know if somebody's running this through their die cutting machine or not, but that's a lot of work. Then we have some. leaf buttons, which are super duper adorable. I love these little wooden buttons. I had ordered some before on AliExpress back in the day, back when AliExpress wasn't even as popular as it is now, or not popular, whichever one you want to say. Before I knew before I knew about stamping, I had ordered this like in 2000. Not these particular ones because you just saw me pull them out. 12, before 12. No, it had to be 12 because I ordered when I lived in this house. So like 12, 13. Yeah. And it was a whole bunch of wooden pieces. They had anchors on it. So it was like 13, 14 probably. Nautical stuff. And then we got this little card. This might be a copy card too that they cut. I'm not sure. And then this cute little leaf. I don't know. I feel like these are like packets that they just kind of pull stuff out and give us, which is fine by me. I don't ever really use them anyway. I need to start. I know when Wonder and Dreamer and I were doing our Snooze It or Lose It collab, Use It or Snooze It collab. I can't remember the name now. She would always use the stuff. I was like, oh, how? She's so creative. So creative. Let's see what they've given us as some samples. Okay. So cozy leaf grid. I really don't like these leaves, and I showed you a haul back in the last month. It was in the July August where I got these same Tim Holtz leaves, I believe, from when I got that little grab bundle. Crunchy leaves and cozy days. These look small too. To go on an A2 size card, and look how they did it. That's cute. The technique that they use is really pretty though. So it looked like they just took some ink or something and just kind of smooshed it on there. The same thing, same thing, same thing. And then on this side we got creep it tweets. So are all these birds? Maybe all these are birds. This a bird. I guess this little ghost is a bird, and then of course the owl is a bird. And then they just show you how to use it. And these are nesting die, scallops, and arches. And then the coup de grace. We actually get to see the stamp set. Now my September order, the card expired, so I don't know if I'm gonna get it on time or not. I hope I do because yeah, look how big. Oh, this is a big baby. I love it. Yes, it is roughly widest to widest 5 inches. Oh wow. Now this is the kind of Unity stamp that I'm used to. When I first started getting the Unity stamps, they were always like big. And then this little gnome, he's like 3 inches. Yep. Then this bird. So these are some pretty decent sized stamps, everyone. I'm not sure if you got your kit. I want to say they had I don't know if they have selling a kit, but I know I went on a website yesterday, fix my account information, and it was 58% off. I think it was 58% off. That's a weird number, but anyway, maybe one of the ladies is turning 58. I'm not sure because usually they do like birthday numbers, which is good, especially when you get up there. Like when you get to 65, and you do a 65% off. Ooh, love that. Anyway, so this is we'll be doing some of that these like this pumpkin because we're getting into fall, right? September, October, November, fall months. We need to do some fall crafting. I don't like these leaves, so if I was doing a snooze it, the leaves would be it. The trees are okay because I feel like I can do like a tree bundle, like take a tree, ink it up in some green, and just step, 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 and then take another tree in a different color and step, 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 and then another tree in another color and stem, 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 stem. But in general, I am not a big fan of leaves in crafting. So yeah, we could use that easy peasy. It's supposed to be three, and then this one. Yeah. So everything almost fits on our little stem block. I bought some more of these. I want to say that I took almost all my red rubber stamps off of the wood block, but you still need a wood block because a block of something. Because even if I'm not a big fan of these leaves, just because leaves are easy, right? Easy to do. But you want to be able to just bam, bam. You don't want to have to do some precision um, crafting on a crafting thing. But anyway, I rambled long enough. We will do something with these leaves. I like leaves in general. I just have a lot of leaf stamps, and I don't want to. I'm gonna have to start doing a D-stash eventually. And I hate doing D-stash of stuff I really like. Anyway, I hope that you all have a great day. And until next time, happy crafting.